Did you know that trying to cheat Charon, the ferryman of the dead, led to a punishment worse than wandering as a ghost forever? When souls tried to cross the river Styx without paying his coin or steal his boat, Charon didn't just turn them away. He would grab these cheaters with his massive hands and throw them into the freezing black waters of the Styx itself. But here's the terrifying part. The river would instantly turn them to stone, trapping their consciousness inside forever, aware but unable to move or scream for all eternity.